How to delete TikTok group chat. So if you created a group chat on TikTok and now you want to delete the group chat, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete TikTok group chat, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. So this could be Android and it could be iPhone. Now once you open the TikTok app, you'll be taken to For You page or on your feed. While on your feed, here locate your inbox and click on it. Now once you tap inbox, click on the name of your group chat. Here, whether you pin the group chat or not, just find the group chat under inbox and then click on it. Then here, click on the three dots at the top right. Then you'll be taken to your group chat details. Then you want to scroll down the page and then click on End Group Chat. This will permanently remove everyone, including you, from this group. Click on that. Then you should see a that says Delete this group chat. All group members will be removed from this chat. They will be able to view the chat history. Then go ahead and click on Delete if you want to delete the group chat. Then hang on. Then instantly you should see the group chat deleted. See that? If you refresh the page, you no longer have access to the group chat again, and all its members, including the admin, will be removed. So that is basically how to delete group chat on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.